We have gathered reviews from all over the internet to bring you the most comprehensive and unbiased overview of the DOLLFIO floating shelves. 3 sets wall shelves, wooden floating shelves for wall decor, wall-mounted floating bathroom shelf for storage, floating bookshelf for bedroom, living room, rustic brown. If you own this item, please leave your review in the comments to help others make an informed decision. The link to the product is in the description. Using it supports the channel. The DOLLFIO floating shelf set is designed for those seeking an affordable, versatile, and visually appealing storage solution for various spaces in the home. This product consists of 3 individual shelves, each measuring 16.5 inches in depth, 5.9 inches in width, and 0.6 inches in thickness. The shelves are marketed as suitable for the bathroom, bedroom, living room, kitchen, or kids' room, and they promise a rustic brown finish that complements a wide range of interior styles. The manufacturer claims the shelves are made from real solid wood, offering both durability and a natural wood grain aesthetic. The maximum weight capacity is listed as 40 pounds per shelf, and the set comes with all necessary mounting hardware and a user manual for straightforward installation. From the outset, the most consistent praise these shelves receive is for their value for money. Many users highlight that for the price, the DOLLFIO floating shelves deliver a good-sized, sturdy, and functional storage solution. The shelves are described as easy to assemble with all required hardware included. The simple and clean design is frequently mentioned as a positive, allowing the shelves to blend seamlessly into a variety of room decors, from modern minimalist to farmhouse rustic. The rustic brown finish and visible wood grain are particularly appreciated for adding warmth and character to spaces that might otherwise feel sterile or cluttered. In terms of installation, the shelves are generally considered straightforward to mount. The included hardware and instructions are sufficient for most users, and the process can be completed in a matter of minutes. However, a recurring theme in user feedback is the quality of the included wall anchors. Multiple reviewers caution against using the supplied plastic anchors, noting that they are prone to breaking and may not provide adequate support for the advertised weight capacity. Several users report that the anchors failed during installation, resulting in damaged walls and the need for additional repair materials, such as putty and paint. The consensus is that buyers should invest in higher quality metal anchors, especially if they intend to load the shelves near their maximum capacity. This additional expense, while not significant, is worth factoring into the overall cost of the product. The shelves themselves are described as lightweight, which is a double-edged sword. On one hand, the lightness makes them easy to handle and mount, but on the other, it leads some users to question the durability and authenticity of the materials. While the manufacturer claims the shelves are made from real solid wood, several reviewers suggest that the material feels more like engineered wood or particle board, with some even stating that it resembles loosely glued sawdust. Despite these concerns, the majority of users agree that the shelves look attractive once installed and are adequate for displaying lightweight items such as plants, small books, decorative objects, and bathroom essentials. Functionality is another area where the DOLLFIO floating shelves receive positive marks. Users appreciate the flexibility of being able to arrange the 3 shelves in a variety of configurations to suit their specific needs and wall space. The shelves are commonly used in bathrooms for toiletries, in bedrooms for books and personal items, in living rooms for plants and decorative accents, and even in closets for organizing cleaning supplies. The ability to free up floor space is a significant advantage, especially in smaller rooms or apartments where every square foot counts. The shelves' modest dimensions make them well suited for tight spaces, and their understated design ensures they do not overpower the existing decor. Despite the generally positive feedback, there are some notable drawbacks. The most significant is the aforementioned issue with the wall anchors, which can lead to frustration and additional cost if not addressed proactively. Another commonly mentioned limitation is the lack of pre-drilled holes in the shelves themselves. This means that users must carefully measure and align the brackets during installation, which can be challenging for those without experience or the proper tools. Some reviewers recommend using a ruler or level to ensure the shelves are mounted straight, as uneven installation can detract from the overall appearance and functionality. The lightweight nature of the shelves, while convenient for installation, also raises concerns about their long-term durability and load-bearing capacity. While the manufacturer claims a maximum weight limit of 40 pounds per shelf, several users advise against testing this limit, especially if the shelves are mounted using the included hardware. For heavier items, upgrading to more robust anchors and ensuring installation into wall studs is strongly recommended. Some users report minor issues with the metal brackets, such as the need for slight straightening before use, but these are generally considered minor inconveniences given the price point. Aesthetically, the DOLLFIO floating shelves receive high marks for their rustic charm and ability to enhance the visual appeal of a room. The shelves are praised for their good color, attractive wood grain, and overall finish. They are particularly popular among those seeking a farmhouse or country-inspired look, and they have been used successfully in rental properties, apartments, and homes alike. After several months of use, many users report that the shelves continue to hold up well, with no significant sagging or deterioration. This durability, combined with the affordable price, makes the shelves a popular choice for budget-conscious decorators and DIY enthusiasts. In summary, the DOLLFIO floating shelves offer a compelling combination of affordability, versatility, and style. They're best suited for light to moderate storage needs and for those who are willing to invest a little extra in higher quality mounting hardware. The shelves' lightweight construction and lack of pre-drilled holes are minor drawbacks that are easily overcome with careful installation and planning. The overall user experience is positive, with the majority of reviewers expressing satisfaction with their purchase and a willingness to recommend the product to others. If you are looking for an inexpensive way to add functional storage and decorative appeal to your home, the DOLLFIO floating shelves are a solid option. They're easy to install, visually appealing, and versatile enough to be used in a variety of settings. Just be prepared to upgrade the wall anchors and take your time during installation to ensure the best results. For the price, it is difficult to find a better value in the floating shelf category. Remember, if you own these shelves, please share your experience in the comments to help others make informed decisions. The product link is in the description. Using it supports the channel and helps us bring you more in-depth reviews like this one.